is there any book that's memorized word by word, letter by letter, sound by sound by a million people across the world throughout the generations? Absolutely not. But the Quran was memorized by the companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, from himself, meaning he, the Prophet, taught every letter of it to his companions, and they memorized it, taught it to their students, generation after generation. Till today, we have 1 million+ people around the world that have memorized the entire Quran. But that's not all. We have the preservation through the text. These are the manuscripts. This is a beautiful work put together by Sheikh Al-Azami, which is printed by Sheikh from Bahrain, Yaqubi, and he gave this book to me himself. It is the ageless Quran and the timeless test. What does it show from time of the Prophet, peace be upon him, to our generation? Every century that goes, we have manuscripts from the 1st century. This is the Birmingham Quran, all the way to our time. We have written manuscripts, and you can see that each verse, they've gone line by line in Surah Al-Isra, and they've scanned each text. So not a single letter has been misplaced or changed. We have manuscripts from the 1st century to our time that show the entire Surah Al-Isra, and this is something that is a beautiful example of the preservation of the Quran. Alhamdulillah that Allah preserved His words for us till the Day of Judgment.